So hello friends, welcome back to channel. Today we will discuss about the command free, free. Okay, so free, this is a command what is showing. So this command is showing memory utilization, what's the memory and how much it's got consumed. So it is showing two things, memory and swap. Swap will discuss. Memory currently we are aware physical memory. So total memory is this much, use is this much, free is this much, shared, cache and available. This is in KB. If you want this thing in MB, so you can type M, and if you want this thing in GB, you can use G. So it is below than 1 GB everything. So that's why we are able to see in MB. Okay. So what's the use when we are getting an email or something from the customer that my system is utilizing mode and my system is running slow, so that time we will run this command free, and the command is free will show the swap utilization and the memory utilization. Swap utilization we'll discuss in the next video. In this video we'll keep free command itself. Okay, so that's all about the free command. This is used to check the memory utilization of the system. Okay, not the process file, it's a complete whatever process consuming the memory, it will show that thing. There is no something, it is a total use, free, shared, cache and buffer. Sometime you will see that cache is consumed more. Okay, some of the application is consuming more in a cache. We are having some command to release the cache and buffer size. We'll discuss on this also. So that's all for today. Free command. Okay, run it. There's nothing much to learn in free command, but you must be aware about this command. Like whenever it required, you can use it. Till then, keep practicing. Goodbye. See you in the next video.